Good morning. Oh, Monday. It feels like a Monday. So I'm gonna be working in the studio today. I'm editing an oil pastel video and I'm working on a mixed media painting. So I've been thinking about abstract painting a lot lately. It's been a few months actually. I know a lot of people that paint abstract and it's very interesting to me. I never really did it myself and well, it's not true. I tried a couple times just for fun to explore and it's really hard. It's really hard, but it's really rewarding at the same time. I don't know, there's something very mysterious and interesting to me about abstract. I'm just more drawn to abstract and expressionism more than realism. You could think that realism is a lot harder than abstract, but in my opinion, it's not necessarily the case. I don't know. I guess you have to try to do it to understand. The thing is with realism, you can sit down at a drawing table for 10,000 hours or whatever, a million days, and at some point you're gonna get it right. You're gonna get something super realistic. There's gonna be ahs and oohs. You can impress people with your mad skills, and that's all good. But with abstract, it's a whole other set of rules. I feel like there's always something new to discover, and if you really explore without judgment, you get surprises. You discover things. I think that's what's the most interesting to me about it. I've been so interested in black and white lately. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with black and white abstract. This is not really an abstract. It kind of started out with this, just marks on paper, and I was somehow mesmerized with this when I first saw it. I felt like it was hypnotic and I liked it. That's all subjective, right? And then I kept seeing birch trees and both linked in my mind, so I did a couple studies of birch trees, and this is what I did. Like, it's a piece of 9 small paintings combined. It's like a hybrid between abstract and figurative, I guess. This is just the beginning. It's kind of a study in a way. I really want to explore abstract a lot more. A lot more. I like the piece that I worked on today, although I feel like there's something missing. But I don't know. I have to let it sit and think about it. You know, like sometimes the best way to not overwork a piece, I find, is to leave it alone, even if you kind of feel like there's something missing. It happened a few times where I wouldn't let go and I just wanted to finish it and have it finished and see it finished, and it never really worked out for me trying that strategy. And I found that if I let it sit for a day or even a few days, the piece would either gel in its current form, or I would get increasingly bothered by some elements that I wasn't sure about, you know? And sometimes ideas pop up in your mind, like of what you should be doing. So I'm gonna let this one sit and I'll see what I do with it. I think I'm gonna go to bed right now. I didn't sleep super well yesterday. I have a feeling I'll sleep really well tonight. He's the little spoon and I'm the big spoon.